What up? It's chassis time. Got some progress done today. John's kicking ass, getting some seatbelt brackets in and some transmission mocked up. So let me show you all about it today. This is the new episode of the PRObuilt Chassis Raffle. So here we have our list of parts that we're going to be installing today. First, we have our e-brake chassis bracket. We have our dual circuit disc master cylinder that fits both left and right hand drive, along with our reservoir. We have the plugs to plug the one side of the master cylinder, the transmission hardware, and the trans bolts, which have the cool little trick Allen bolt in them, the brake light switches, and the master cylinder spacers with stainless steel hardware. We also have this set of accessories from Wolfsburg West. We'll put a link in the description below. We got a pan chassis seal, a Bowden tube, the nose cone seal, the throttle tube seal, and a steering coupler. More later. Got a lot done on the chassis today, as you can see here. We have kind of deburred all a little bit, got the chassis inspection plate all dialed in nice. We got the e-brake handle kind of mocked up, ready for welding. Should have that done probably Monday. Looks pretty good, turned out nice. We got our seatbelt brackets installed, top and bottom, looking pretty fresh, keep us safe. We used to do these transmission tunnel inspection plates. Maybe we'll bring them back. If you want something like that, please comment below you're interested in that. We did a wire wheel on the whole rear end and got the transmission all mocked up with our stainless trans bolts in it. Looking pretty trick. And also deburred the back end, so everything's looking pretty clean right now. More to come soon.